Hugis ng pananabik ang namumulaklak sa panimula ng isang panahon kung saan nais kong umalis. Ibig kong maibalik lahat ng pangako at muni-muni ng ating pagsama noong malamig pa ang gabi. Paano naman ako?
Good evening, everyone. My name is Alan. I'm the fourth son of Sandra. So I want to use this opportunity to appreciate each and every one of us being here today. I know we all have busy schedules, but being here means a lot to the family, especially the bereaved Lola. We know this is not just a gathering of a mourning, it is also a gathering of celebration of life, because my Lola has lived a very loving and fulfilling life, impacting all of us here, or so to speak. We know that she is in heaven with the Lord, and we are all happy as well that she is resting. I do have just a few memories of me being with Lola, because even at that age, her humor has always remained the same. The laughter, the advice, the pinching, it's quite a lot. Losing her, we know that we've also gained a lot. This family means a lot, especially to my mom, who's not here, unfortunately, but we know that all the love surrounds all of we who are gathered here, and we really appreciate you for coming. Again, thank you so much, and God bless.
Para dito, di ko na kaya ang ika'y antayin. Sa aking pag-alisan ay paumanhin ang dilim sa balete. Sana iyong makita na ako'y tinadhana sa bugambilya. Ng alon napadpad sa piling ng mayon, kung saan nalilimutan lahat ng sakit tuwing kabal